Hi, this is a test of the Mackie EleMent Wave lavalier mic. Currently I'm using the microphone that's within the phone. My phone is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm about 8 feet away from the phone. So at the moment you can hear the native sound quality that comes with the phone itself. And now we're using the transmitter of the Mackie EleMent Wave without the lavalier mic attached to it. You can hear the sound is much better than it was before. It's close by and sounds like it's native to the phone. And finally, we've attached the lav mic to the transmitter, and so the sound quality should improve even more than just the transmitter alone.